going to spend our Christmas there. So, excuse you. Stop burping.
It's like telling someone to stop breathing.
Stop breathing. Super chilly in San Diego today. But we're hoping to have white Christmas by the time we get to Grand Canyon, because we heard they will have snow for Saturday and Sunday. Whatever the name is.
Temecula.
Temecula. We're still here and we need to drive like 7 more hours to be at Grand Canyon. So I am planning to vlog everything. I hope I will be able to do that. This video is too shaky. I should have a camera holder here in your
Maybe
truck.
there's one in the truck stop.
We'll find one. About going on a road trip, because it grounds me, and I'm like thankful for being here in this country and for this man right here beside me, because he has given me this opportunity, you know, and I'm really, really thankful to him and everything that he does for me every day. I never really thought I will be able to go to States. I have a dream before of going to London. That's actually my dream. I never really liked United States before, but look at where it got me now. I'm here, I'm enjoying the road with my husband. We love to travel all the time. Not travel by plane, but road trip. Because my husband really, really loves to drive. As I've said on my few videos before, I wanted to go to Disney just to see a lot of people, you know, spend the holidays with the crowd. But since my husband really loves to drive, and what else do you want to see, babe? You want to see Grand Canyon, right?
The open road.
Yeah, he loves that so much. So I will go to Disney someday, but it's gonna be with friends, not with my husband. So yeah, I'm just glad that he's happy.
Open road is the way to go.
Yeah, he's happy right now.
You've never experienced United States. If you're stuck on a city, you have to hit the road.
So that's it. Nalagkit. I'm really, really grateful.
Show them. The Colorado River. Yeah, Colorado River made the Grand Canyon. Now we're in Arizona. Picture ba ba Arizona?
This is the truck stop, and we are going to have our lunch right here, or this one. Yep. Where's my husband? He is putting up some gas. I really need to find a holder for this camera, because I want this angle.
Nakalimot ko, barato raman ang gas sa Arizona, di ba sa California? $2.
Full tank ni mo?
Mong tubel kag nag-G's, babe. Come on, babe. Oh, nakaba. How about like common sense, babe?
We're gonna buy a sandwich and something to drink. I have my tea right here and it's still hot, I think. Let's see. I hope they have something that will hold my camera here. We're now in Arizona, by the way. See, my tea is still warm. This one can keep my tea warm for like not even 9 hours. It says here for cold drinks 9 hours and then for hot drinks 5 hours. This one can keep my drinks warm for like 8 to 10 hours. They are serving 29. So this is for lunch. I'm gonna have the teriyaki sandwich or burger with fries, and he has, what's this? He ordered I have root beer and he has like juice.
Siguro pag nakang tao, una yung mabuhaton. Kaya para, sigaw na magpa.
Ay, mag-asawa man sila. You just know they are so bored waiting on their cars.
Yep.
Because you see,
In a minute, if you want me to grab something at the back, all the worst stop.
I'm good, thank you.
Hermits Rest Road, also known as Western Drive, is closed. Highway 64, also known as Eastern Drive, is closed. The Northern Road, State Route 67, is closed for the season. For road conditions and closures outside of Grand Canyon, call Arizona DOT at 8.
I'm gonna call these guys too.
We've been stuck here for like 2 hours, so we're still waiting for the...
Thank you for calling the Best Western Premier Grand Canyon Square. Can you please hold?
Yes, heard that because I guess there's a multiple accident, but they're gonna open eventually, probably in 2 hours. I'm just trying to make sure that the road all the way to the hotel is open, that you guys are not completely closed today.
When you get to that road, you should call to make sure that it's still open. If I tell you yes now and then they close it
Right.
in 2 hours, you might be disappointed. So
So 64 is an emergency route that connects from the Grand Canyon to the hospital, so they do their best to keep it open.
Heard it?
Oh, you heard it?
Yeah. So this is the reason every time we do road trips, we need to have our food, our snacks, everything, plus this. What's this, babe?
Sleeping bag.
Sleeping bag. This one keeps us warm. We also have our water at the back. Everything that we need. Stuck here on this lane for like 2.5 hours now. So everyone is kind of like making the most out of it. They're actually letting their children play beside the road because all of the cars and trucks and every vehicle is on full stop, and the kids are just playing right now, even the adults.
Then he's probably trying to stare. Dude!
She just speed. That's the reality of being in the road.
And you have to go, you have to go.
My tip, if that happens to you and you're in the car and you just need to go, first, well, when you are in a road trip, it's given that I personally apply this. When we travel, I rarely drink water or any drinks. What else? But the advice is, get something, like order it from Amazon. There's this, like a pad that's absorbent, or you can do the arinola. We call that arinola in our place. You can pee in there and just throw the liquid out when you're done. Or what else? Lucky for guys, they can just do their business standing up. But for us girls, it's gonna be different. If you need to do your business, you can do your business inside your own car. But it's sanitary. I'm kind of hesitant to tell you what I sometimes do. Or it's now 8 in the evening, and this is what we're going through. It's 8:30.
And we are here already 4 hours. Huh. I mean, I can't blame anyone. And I mean, it's nature, right?
Yeah, there's a snowstorm.
We're in the middle of a snowstorm. Good thing we still have half tank of gas. We've been stuck here for like almost 4 hours.
This is supposed to be just, you know, the typical 8 to 10 hour trip, but we
Already on our 12 hours.
started
7.
our journey at around 7 a.m. this morning, and now it's almost 9. It's 8:35.
Yeah.
We're still here, still grateful because we're okay.
Yep, nothing happened. We're alright. It's all worth it. If you'll ask me, all worth it. Driving on the snow, first time with a wife, oh yeah, it's all worth it.
It's my first time too. Well, I've tried this before, but not this intense. You're trying to hit the what's this?
Truck stop.
Yeah.
Maybe I can get some stuff like chains on my tires. I mean, I normally don't have any problem with that, but it's I'm really spinning. They haven't plowed the road yet. I don't know why. Maybe because they're still waiting for the snowstorm to be done. But I guess once it's done, they're probably gonna start plowing the road.
The Arizona Department of Transportation. Multiple crashes and adverse weather conditions in the North Country have forced multiple closures on Interstate 40, Interstate 17, and numerous state highways. I-40 is closed in both directions between Flagstaff and Williams, milepost 146 and 195. I-17 northbound is closed from Munns Park to Flagstaff, milepost 299 to 340.
Snow. 9:17. There are cars. The side of the road. Devil Dog Road. Is it somehow related to marine thing?
Yeah, I don't know, maybe. I mean, we're called the Devil Dog, so maybe.
Anyway, time check is 10:30. I'm just eating my chips that you can see and some nuts. Look, it's already 12:13. Merry Christmas.
And
we
it's already
haven't
6 degrees.
Yep, we haven't moved. The gasoline station is just over there, like
3 miles away.
yeah, 3 miles away, and we're stuck here for like an hour. Hey there, hello again. It's already 3 in the morning and we're stuck here. Can't wait to get to our hotel, but I don't think
That's gonna happen.
yeah.
Probably early in the morning. Well, it is early in the morning, but
Yeah, it's early in the morning, and thank God we really did brought the sleeping bag of my husband. This thing just keeps me warm, and now we need to shut off our truck to just save on gas. The gasoline station, as I've said few hours ago, is just probably 10-15 minutes away, but I don't know what is
it's already
happening.
3 hours.
Huh?
It's already 3 hours. We haven't moved yet.
Okay, it's been 3 hours and we haven't moved.
You can see the gas station too. That's the sad part.
Yeah, but good thing is the storm stopped. We're fine, and yeah, the truck is in good condition. So now what we need to do is I think I'm gonna feed my husband. He needs to eat. I'm gonna feed him rice.
I gotta get that carbs.
Yeah, he needs
I have to stay awake.
he needs food. I will feed him some rice and canned goods. Remember, I packed canned goods. That's really a relief that we have food here. We have water. We have everything. I even have tea right here. It's still warm, so that's nice. So now I'm gonna prepare food for him, and hopefully by the time I get back, you will see me. Well, you will see us in a hotel. You need the spoon and fork.
Yeah. Wala kay bowl ng butang ngayon.
Oh, ayun na ka na.
Yeah.
Spoon.
Ang dami daw tubig ng may.
Ay, ang tubig ang wala tayo baso.
It's fine. Wait.
So what happened was, we were stuck there because all of this truck decided to just stop
And sleep.
and sleep without us like letting the other vehicles know that they are like on a full stop. We were stuck there for like 3 or 4 hours just because they
Decided they wanna sleep.
yeah, not because of traffic
Why
or
gani?
anything.
Good thing there was a cop that actually stopped. I was actually staring at those people talking to the cops, and then 2 minutes after that they started leaving.
Oh my
So maybe
God.
the cops told them like the road is open. They were just sleeping. Maybe you guys can go. I think that's what happened. Right there. Oh my God.
Continue on Historic Route 66 for 1 mile.
That's probably the reason why we keep seeing cars going back and forth in here, remember? Oh my God, babe.
Well, they didn't know.
Yeah, and it was a long thing to figure out anyway.
Well, it's probably for the best though, because now it's safer to drive. The
the snow has the storm has passed.
Yeah. Were you able to get your sleep?
No, I'm actually awake for some reason.
So now we are just trying to find, I think, gloves.
Yeah, which is, it says here 7 minutes. I don't think there's gonna be more traffic.
We're finally here.
Exit the traffic circle onto US 180 North, then turn left at Forest Service
We're
Road.
here, you guys.
Turn left at Forest Service Road.
Finally.
Then turn right.
We can rest for a bit.
Turn left, then turn right.
Come on, Kevin, you got this. Yay, Kevin, yay. You're a badass.
It's almost 6 a.m. and we are
Turn right, then
finally
turn right.
here.
Turn left, then turn right. Turn right, then turn right. Turn right, then turn left.
Finally, we're here. I'm gonna give you the quick look of the hotel. Oh well, the room, and we need to sleep because we are beat, but it was a fun and crazy road trip. I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye.